In this video, I will guide you on how to buy FIFA World Cup Final tickets. First, launch open any web browser and search FIFA tickets. Now scroll down and get to the official website of FIFA, which is fifa.com/tickets. Here, you first need to log into your account, so make sure to log in. Now find the option of tickets. Go ahead and select the Explore Details option. Now click on the active sales phase or the official resale marketplace link on the main ticketing dashboard. Now from this list, scroll down and find the final match over here, then tap on the select option. Here, choose your preferred ticket price tier or seating category from the options shown. Then you want to select the number of tickets you want to purchase. Make sure to stay under 4 ticket household limit for the match. Now tap on Add to Cart option, then enter your payment details and billing information to complete the secure checkout process. Now you want to check your email for purchase confirmation message from FIFA. Download the official FIFA mobile tickets app on your smartphone. From there, you will be able to save your digital match ticket. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.